with me, Duncan! Duncan, where are you, boy? Duncan, turn around. Where are you, Duncan? Duncan? Duncan, are you Duncan? Are you Duncan? No, you're not Duncan. Duncan, are you Duncan hiding under there? That's not Duncan, that's Barnaby. Here you are, Duncan. You can be joining me today. And of course, I never tender, and hello, bow kittens. I can't see where Duncan is either. I can hear her meowing, but I can't see where she's got to. I can't see where Duncan is either. Here they are. Ah, you just splashed all over Mittens there, Duncan. Are you even going to say sorry? Are you even going to apologise to her? No, not even going to apologise. They're such a cute couple, aren't they? Look at them there, just staring up at me. Oh, I don't know. I just love